teach you how to do an extended mount. Boy. First, assess the place you want to put it. In my case, it's gonna be this wall right here. It's just kind of hard. Not the cheap ass stucco. Of course, you can put it here. It's just all corroded. So we're gonna have to mount on stucco. Now what you want to do is you want to kind of put it where you want it. Get a marker and mark the holes. Mark the motherfuckers. Oh! Line it back up. I want to get a 5/16 masonry bit. Free drill. Pop in the anchors. Pop in these bad boys. Hammer them in a little bit if I can find my damn hammer. And you're gonna jizz it up right now. Meaning silicone. If I can find my jizz. Jizz it back up. Some around the hole. Put some in the hole, around the hole. Just like you do what you do. Take it as it is. I'm not saying it a perverted way. A lot of jizz. And you're gonna put your lag bolts in it. These bad boys. Get your half socket, kind of hold them out, put the first one in. This one's in, should be set, put the other ones in. Damn, this is off, what the shit? I can't see the bubble leveler and I don't have a fucking torpedo leveler, just kind of guesstimate where it's at. I think right there should be pretty good. Yeah, it should be fine. Perfect. Hang the motherfucker down. Monopoles, you want to mark these as well. We're going to put the holes, one on each corner, set this one down. Then get the longer one. Kind of loosen it up a little bit. You're going to put this one in an angle, not straight on. In this case, we're going to put it here. Pre-drill again. Flat anchors again. Silicone. No water again. Kind of put in the hole a little bit, hold it there, half. Would be calling me. Tighten the braces down. bad boy's pretty solid. Probably hang from this thing, but I wouldn't try it because I'm a fat ass. Hit the damn dish. The prepper cable, you can strip it. You got a fitting. Make sure they're compressed because it's crimped. Set the cable. Crimp the motherfucker. Inside the feed on. Get your L&B. Put it on top of the mount. Rest. Cool. Shut this other side for when you get your signal. Get your meter. Reason for moving it from the stubby mount is not this whole thing is actually corroded. So here's because the wind get up more stable. Dealing with the Saloon Line 5 swim system. Install next. 5 L&Bs usually for Spanish programming. Get all the deportes and shit. Enter in swim mode. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. We're basically looking for signal, waiting till it locks. Oop, oop, it's coming. No, okay. Probably Mars is blocking it. Mars. Where's Mars? Mars. There's Saturn. Oh, okay, let's get Saturn. There it is, Saturn. Lockdown. Lockdown. Pluto's locked down. It's unlocked. God dang it. It's on the cusp, that's why I'm being locked in. With this. Take this off. This other side off and a dither. So this was a little bit off. Now that we're locked in. It's clear peak. Go to next. We got the 119 coming in. This dither. Set your shit to 0. Counterclockwise 2 times. 1, 2, set reference. That shit was way off, by the way. Go back the other way. Count how many times. 1, 2. Put it dithering process for the same side. Okay, next. 2 counter. 1, 2. Set reference. Nope. Sync. Hit one more. Again? What the fuck? Sounds way off. What's this shit right here? Let's run an IV retest, see if we're getting all the sats. Satellites. So we're passing all satellites, we're good. Turn this bad boy off. Now time for the dressing. Dressing the dish, whatever you want to call it, prepping the dish, whatever. Put a little freaking loop right here. Some people put it up here, some people put it here, some people put it here. I like putting it here, it's more accessible for the next technician that comes, or if he has to come at all. Strip the ground, cut it a little bit, not the whole cable, strip it back. Another one around the middle, make it look tidy. Pull this one. Cut the access zip ties off. Gotta tighten these bad boys. Tighten these back up. Hurricane Katrina proof. I'm gonna do a strip the ground a little bit. Don't pinch that tight. Get a ground screw. Oops, my ground screw. Topper. Ground screw. Like me to make my life easier. Got this little adapter. Put the ground screw in. Take it out of this bad boy. Start screwing in. Should call it cable bag. You don't want to have nothing on the electric. You kind of want to take that out. Create a big problem. Pixelization. 775. Communicating with dish problem. Put a fitting on the bad boy. Cramp the bad boys. Can't stress how clean your fittings have to be, dude. One little braid cuts the whole system. Pull your hair out and look for what the hell the problem is. Hey, waist splitter. I can't stress how many times either I've caught fittings not been tightened. You gotta tighten down your fittings, man. One loose little fitting can cause a big problem as well. Tighten his mothers down. And you want to keep the switch underneath or water won't get to it. Screw your damn switch up. Put this bad boy on it. Want to make it look pretty. Nobody likes an ugly install. Don't forget to put the ground. Because buying OSHA code or whatever code it is, you gotta ground every cable and satellite system. This product is not beautiful, but it's a service call. I don't have no side panels like you East Coasters and Central Coasters have. This is my rig right here, my belt. Got these bad boys here, rocker, screw clips, all that shit. A little baby hammer. Go in and check the signal. Gotta get a completion code.